Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Yesterday I got a bird's eye view about a country known as Portugal. This is only a tip of the iceberg, not details. Those people, they worked on each and every flower of their country. Those people started working on beautifying natural beauty. Lisbon and other cities, they are their main cities. Planning is visible everywhere. Strategies are prominent everywhere. Each and every village reflects of good systems. They don't talk about, they believe in systems. They don't believe in one man like Imran or Nawaz Sharif. The authorities of those countries, they work and they make their teenagers work. They show them the right direction. They provide them with the equipment rather than making them confused by depriving them of healthcare, electricity and water. Take the example of Bhutan, take the example of Kyrgyzstan. Have you ever heard of casualties as a result of personal animosity? Have you ever heard of power breakdowns as a result of raining? It is raining there every time, but there is no breakdown, there are no casualties in the name of personal animosity. Because everywhere in developed countries, everyone is doing his own work, not wasting their energies on talking about PM or CM.